Hello, welcome back to Life in Every Season. Quick video. We've got Premier One poultry netting, electric fence for keeping your chickens in. We had set it up around our garden last year. We've got chickens, found out the battery was dead because I put it away and it wasn't charged. They're lead acid. I know to charge them. I for some reason think it was lithium. It's not. So we got a battery, hooked everything back up, double checked my ground, even switched to a little deeper stake to get a good ground, and we could hear it snapping. I don't know if you can hear that. We got a tester. I don't really like to grab electric fence to get shocked to see if it's working. So we got our tester. And if you can see this, the display was blank. So we kept sticking its little ground rod in different spots. I thought it was working. I thought I saw one of our cats get introduced. Right, so the display was blank when I touched it to the electric. And I looked at we even read the instructions. I know, a man reading instructions. Even had my wife read them. And I just got to thinking, even though there's no place that you can tell from this that there's a battery cover, it's held on with 4 screws. I took it apart. Let me go show you what I found. All right, so I am going to take these 4 small screws out. I've gotten way more use out of a set of tools I bought to work on a laptop computer to take it apart. I've got all these tiny Phillips heads, which is fantastic, Torx head. So I'm just taking it apart. And 2 screws. All right, see that? I took the old battery out already, but it was dead. And I had stored this outside, not knowing that it had a battery in it. So probably another good idea is not stored outside. But let's hook it up and then go check the fence again. If I can snap the battery in. There we go. Okay, so that's what it looks like with your 9-volt in. Replace your cover. Why this does not have a spot. I love the Premier One, and it's all well made, and seems all the reviews, everyone said it's one of the best, if not the best, electric netting. It doesn't take too long to put up. It takes a little bit of time to learn how to put it away and not tangle it. So you can imagine the frustration where we bring 4 new hens home. We had bought a water feeder and we had the poultry netting up, thought it was working, went and got the new battery, but we couldn't figure out for sure if it had juice running through it, and I didn't want to touch it, and thought I could just put the ground rod in and see that? It's supposed to read 3.0 or higher, and it's working. That's all I wanted to do, but I was hugely frustrated trying to figure out what was wrong. So if your Premier One digital fence tester is not working, put a new battery in it. Batteries not included. All right. Hope y'all are having a great day. Appreciate you tuning in. Hopefully we'll try to edit this and keep it short so you can get the information and get back to your fence and realize it is working without touching it.
And if there's any technical difficulties in here, it's the camera person's fault.
That's okay. Bye.
Thank you.